In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify forms. We'll walk through the process step by step, giving you the ability to add customized forms to your Shopify store in just a few straightforward steps. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log in to your Shopify admin panel. This is your main hub for managing your store, so you'll need access to this space to make any changes regarding forms. Once you're in, go to the Apps section, where you'll find a variety of tools you can add to your store to enhance its functionality. From the Apps section, click on Shopify App Store. Here, you'll need to search for a form builder app. There are quite a few options available, including Shopify Forms, Hulk Form Builder, and POWR Form Builder. Any of these options will do the trick, so feel free to choose the one that suits your needs best. Find the app that appeals to you and click Install. Once the app is installed, open it, and you'll see an option to create a new form. This is where you'll truly begin the customization process. Click on Create New Form, and you'll see a selection of form types to choose from, such as contact forms, feedback forms, or newsletter sign-up forms. Pick the type of form that aligns with your goals. Now, let's add the necessary fields. Think about what information you want to collect from your customers. Common fields include name, email, and message, and you might also consider adding checkboxes for specific consents or preferences. Be thoughtful here about the information that will be most useful to you and valuable to your customers. Customizing your form's design is an important step to ensure it matches your store's appearance. This means aligning the colors, fonts, and overall style of the form with your brand. Take your time to adjust these design elements, creating a seamless look for your customers when they visit your page. Once you're satisfied with the design, save the form. You'll then be provided with an embed code or an app block, which you'll need for the next step. Keep this handy because you will use it to add the form to your site. Now, navigate to the online store section and choose either Pages or Theme, then click Customize. This is where you decide where to place your form on your site. You can add it to a specific page, a product, or even in the footer of your store, depending on where you think it would be most effective. Finally, save all the changes you made. Once you've done that, your new form will be live on your store, ready to capture valuable information from your visitors. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a customizable form on your Shopify store. And that's all it takes to set up Shopify forms. With these simple steps, you can now enhance your customer interactions and gather insightful data directly from your online store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!